Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Make sure the TV supports the mirroring protocol you plan to use and that both TV and device share the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, enable screen mirroring or equivalent on the TV so it advertises availability. Next, open the casting option on your phone, tablet, or laptop. That live menu is where you'll select the TV. Do this now so the TV shows up as an available target without delay. Now select the TV from the device list. You'll often see it named by brand or model. When you tap the TV name, accept any connection prompts that appear on both devices. Sometimes a PIN is shown on screen that you must enter. Make sure to allow media and microphone permissions if requested so audio and screen capture work. If the image looks stretched or fuzzy, open Display or Advanced Settings and change resolution or orientation to match the TV's native aspect ratio. Once connected, test a short video or slide to confirm audio-video sync and latency meet your needs. Adjust volume and app audio output if sound goes to the phone instead of the TV. To finish, stop mirroring from the device cast menu or switch the TV input back. This cleanly ends the session. If things go wrong, restart both TV and device, verify firmware and OS updates, and make sure the Wi-Fi band or firewall isn't blocking local.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.